Alright, what's going on, guys? I just want to make this quick YouTube video on this monitor. This is a Samsung S27E330 monitor, and pretty much like Samsung has made this the worst monitor. I mean, I have other monitors here for my setup here, but this is going to be a monitor that goes up here on this pole above these two 240 hertz monitors. But anyway, yeah, this is like the worst design Samsung. I did see a lot of videos online about this, but long story short, I want to mount this on this pole, but this gets in the way. This is like smack dead in the middle. At least they got the center right. But so a lot of people online will try to hack this off. So they will try to hack this off. I found a better way, which is essentially, I show you a tech, so I took off the back plate here. I still have a few more to go, so I'm gonna actually cut to that when I have the back plate off. All right, guys, I'm back. So I just worked around the seams now. I have the full back plate off. I'm just gonna turn it around here. So you have a good look. So I just worked around the seams here. Mess it up a little bit, but pretty much you take this off and now you have the back panel. Okay, and now if I go over here, you have these screws here that will take off the back plate. All right, so we're gonna do that, and just like that, the back plate comes off. This falls apart. Got this off. These screws are just kind of floating there. I'll probably take these out from the other side. But pretty much, we fixed our issue. So, wish Samsung did a better job at designing this. Good monitor, it's a 1 second monitor, but also pretty scrappy. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this back together and I'll show you the final result. And this is the finished product. Everything put up, nice and neat. Kind of show you the back. See here, the annoying fake leg thing is gone. Don't even know what word to call it, but it's gone. Otherwise, back. Nice.